Want to know the best way to convert your WebP to TIFF file in seconds? Download WebP Converter Wizard. It is a 100% secure and easy-to-use application to convert multiple WebP files to TIFF without any problem. If you want to know more about the software, please watch the video. First of all, read all the information mentioned in the software starting window. Once agree, tap on the Next button. Now, the user has two modes to browse file with. WebP extension from the system, choose from Select File and Select Folder. Here, we choose the Select File mode to browse WebP files manually and then click on Open. User can also check the Select Folder mode to upload a complete WebP folder from the system and tap on Open button. Now, click on the Next button. After this, the software analyzes the chosen WebP files and then lists all the images in the software folder. Now, user need to mark the checkbox of required WebP image for conversion. Now, click on the Next button. Go to Saving option and browse the list and choose your required option. For Web to TIFF conversion, check TIFF file saving from the list. After that, the software provides a destination path option where user can browse a required location on their system for the results. Finally, hit the Convert button and view the live conversion of WebP files into TIFF format. User can also witness the number of image count conversion. Once completed, the software provides a complete conversion message. The trial version of the software has the ability of converting first 5 WebP image files to WebP. The license edition of the software has no limitation for converting multiple WebP images into PNG successfully. The software automatically opens the resultant location and get the conversion files. Thanks for watching.